Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking animatronic Bendy. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and the face is actually a little bit tricky because there's gonna be two layers to it. But we're just gonna draw one side first. So we're gonna start on his right side, and we're gonna draw in just one straight line down first. And then from there, we're gonna slant this one up slightly. Okay, and then once we have that, we're just gonna turn this one down. This is gonna be the side of his face, just kind of come down. And then as we get to the bottom here, just kind of curve it and close it off. Alright, so once we have this shape, we're gonna go in and draw one of his eyes. So just kind of come right around in the middle. Here's the line, here's the middle. Just kind of go up slightly and just draw like a little curve going this way. So that's gonna be the bottom of his eye. And then we're gonna go up on each side, that's the bottom. And then we're gonna draw a little angle on this side. And then from there, we're gonna curve this one all the way around and just kind of connect with that line over there. And let me shade it in real quick so we can see this eye a little bit better. Alright, so that's one of his eyes. And then for his mouth, it's really easy. We're just gonna come to the middle here and just kind of curve out and come back to the middle again. And then we can add in a couple of lines. And for some little details, let's just go ahead and add that, since it's gonna make it look a lot cooler. It's got these little bolts around his head. Okay, so let's finish up his head, and now we're gonna continue this line. We're gonna go straight up. And then now we're gonna come over here. This is gonna be the horn. Just gonna come down and just curve it to that line. And now we can wrap around his whole head here. So we're just gonna curve down, and as we get to the bottom here, just kind of taper it and close it off. Okay, so that's one side, and I know it's a little bit tricky because it is a very odd looking shape. Okay, so then for his other side, we're gonna draw this whole line right here, but at a slant. So we're gonna come over here and just kind of draw another line. Okay, and then now let's draw in the inside of the face again. So right around here, same distance, slant out, and then again we're gonna come down, just kind of curve it all the way to the bottom again. Okay, so this one's a little bit tilted, right? So everything's gonna be kind of tilted to one side. So I come down and draw in that shape again, drawing two lines like this, and then here's the little angle on the eye. And then curve it all the way around. And again, I'm just gonna shade it in. Alright, and then for the other side of the mouth, same thing. Just kind of come down, curve, and just close it off. And let's add in two lines again. And let's add in a little bit more of those details. Okay, so here's the point again. Out, curve up, and then I'm just gonna wrap it all the way around. Come down, and then once you reach around here, we're gonna start pinching it in and just kind of close it off. Alright, so that's his head, and let's finish up on the inside. So the inside is a lot easier. We're just gonna draw one curve. And then another one over here, looks like it's part of his mouth. And then in here, we're just gonna, on the bottom, we're just gonna close it off. And we're gonna see a little bit of an eye socket here. So we're gonna draw one curve on this side. And I'll just shade it in real quick. And then in the middle, I'm just gonna draw in one line. So that's gonna be part of his teeth. Alright, and I know there's gonna be a lot of little oil stains and drips and things like that. We'll add that later on. Alright, so let's continue on with the body. So we're going down to the neck. So this one's a lot easier now. Just close it off, and I'm going to add in a couple of segments. And then now for his body, it's really simple. We just kind of curve out and then come down the side, and then same curve on the bottom, so it's just kind of like a very long barrel. Okay, and then we can add in a little bit of detail here, just adding one line. Alright, so let's go ahead and draw in his spine first. So the spine here, we're just gonna draw one segment down there, and then once we have this one, we're gonna come down. So this is gonna be the bottom of the spine, the lower part. I'm just gonna draw another block, and then in between we're just gonna draw a bunch of other segments here, and I'm gonna kind of make them a little bit different angle. So as it comes down, it gets a little bit smaller. So just keep going until we reach down to the bottom. I'll just add another segment there. Okay, so if you have more or less segments, it's okay, you know, as long as it kind of reaches the bottom there. Alright, so let's draw in his arms, and his arms pretty easy because it's just gonna be a bunch of little rectangular shapes. So we're gonna come down on his shoulder here. We're gonna draw in one little cylinder or rectangle, and then here, come at a slant. We're gonna draw another one. So it's kind of starting to tilt down. Okay, and then one more. This one's gonna be slightly longer, and then I'll just divide up so we get two. So these blocks here needs to be connected. So on the inside, just gonna draw a little line like this to make it look like there's another segment inside. And then for his hand, it's really simple. We're just gonna extend this, another segment, and let's add in those little details here, those two little circles, so that we know this is gonna be the back of his hand. Alright, and then for his fingers, here's his thumb, which is gonna come out. So it's just a lot of little blocky shapes. And then for his other fingers here, we can start out in the middle. That way we can space it out a little bit better. Okay, so that's one. And then we're gonna draw another block on the side here. And then for these fingers, we just make the tip maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, so very robotic. Very simple to draw. Okay, so let's go on to the other side, and kind of the same thing, slightly different position. Here, another one. And then his lower arm here. So I'm gonna draw one line, we're gonna go down this way. Longer rectangle. Again, just gonna divide up in half. And then to connect these, I'm just gonna fill in those gaps. And right here, just gonna curve it for his elbow. Okay, and then for his hand, so here's another segment. Add in those same details again. The back of his hand. And then again for his thumb, just gonna come out. One, and then two. And then same thing down here, I'm gonna start out in the middle. So just two little blocks, really simple. Let's draw another one over here. This would be his index finger. And then his pinky, I'm just gonna have it come out to the side a little bit more. So now let's draw in his legs and his hip. So his hip, just come down to the spine, and we're just gonna draw one line right underneath, and then we're gonna come down the side. So it's just, yeah, it's really simple, it's just very blocky. And then this one, we can start in the middle here, draw one line, and then close that off with a slight curve. So that's his hip, and then for his legs, it's really simple. I'm just gonna draw in one long rectangle here, and I'll just divide it in two. So draw the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then for his lower leg, we're gonna give it a little bit of gap here. Just kind of have it come almost straight down. And again, I'm gonna divide it in two. And for his foot, we're just gonna curve down on each side. Close it off, and then let's add in one little detail there. There's gonna be more details, I'll put those in later. Alright, same thing here, one line across. Come straight down, close it off. Divide that in half, and then for his foot again, just kind of curve down, close it off in one segment. And then let's add in the details down here since we're here already. So we're gonna draw one line in the center, add two little bolts, and these little details really make it look cool. Okay, and then even up here, I'm gonna draw in two lines, and then again, two little bolts on the side. I think there's more of that kind of detail here. And then two dots again. Alright, so I think that's everything, and let's just go ahead and add in some of those scratches and drips. So here I'm just gonna add a little bit of blobby shape and just kind of have it come down. And you can make it as messy as you want. I'm just trying to follow the what he looks like in the game. So right down here, I'm just gonna draw in like a little blobby shape, and I'll just shade it in. So this is the fun part, right? Now that we've drawn everything else, we're just kind of giving it some scratches here and there. Just gonna come in and add some drips. Yeah, definitely makes it look more lively. Maybe even down here, we're just gonna keep adding a little bit more stains and scratches. And that is it for this animatronic Bendy. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.